Hey guys, welcome back. Quick video here to show you how I scan things on my iPhone. Basically, you just open your Notes app. It looks like this, and then you open up and you type a heading, like page 1, scan 1. Then I click the camera button and I click Scan Documents, and then I position my camera over what I want to scan. And then I take my fingers and run the outline around the document that I want to scan. This is important so it only grabs that piece. I'll go ahead and click Keep Scan after that. And then it's important you click that little Save button down to the bottom right and it will put it in. Then I make my second heading, and I do this so the PDF looks good when I export it. And I click my camera button again. Click Scan Documents. And then I position it over the next page that I want to scan. And again, I figure out the cutout there, make another heading, make sure you click that Save. I'm going on to the third page, and let's put that in now. Click the camera, scan documents, just repeating. Put that one into view, and again, adjust my outline, my edges of what I want to scan. Click Keep Scan, and then make sure you click that Save down at the bottom, and it puts it in my note. And I make my final page, page 4, or you can call it Scan 4, whatever you want in that heading. Click the camera, click Scan Documents, take a picture of my last page. That one looks pretty good. Click Keep Scan, click that Save, and there's my final one. So now I can click the Share button up top, the little arrow pointing up, and I'm going to go down to my markup choice. I'm going to click Markup, and I don't really have to do anything here except click Done. And then I would save to File. I'm going to do on my iPhone, click a folder, and click Save. And that now created a PDF. Okay guys, so now we just choose our files, which looks like this on the icon, and then we just go into where we save our PDF. We can click on that PDF, we can open it, take a look, make sure it's all there. Now, one thing I found is the formatting isn't perfect on this, especially the size of your image is different, but that's why I put those headings in there to try to get it to grab everything. So I got some extra white space in here, but then we just click the Share button, and we send that off to email or whatever to get that PDF shared off to other people. That's all we have today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody out there. I always forget how to do this, and Apple changes this a lot, but this is right now 2020 how I'm doing it. Let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment below, and maybe you do it a little differently and we can help other people out. Thanks a lot.